Yes. Here we have maglock, electromagnetic lock for access control. It works together with the biometric access control. It can be a fingerprint, it can be a punch code system, it can be card, So and here we have the biometric itself and the power supply unit. This is the major thing you need for access control. It can be uni or bidirectional. If it's uni, that means you need a push button. If it's bidirectional, that means you need this too. When you are going in, you clock. When you are going out, you clock out. This alone, that's how it works. Look at it. This is my finger now. It gives me access at this breaks. It goes back. It locks the door. That is how it works. And there's no force that can remove this apart from your fingerprint or a card access. As you can see that it releases. Close it back. It locks. Let's say I don't lock it. There's no way anybody can remove this. That is what you need for access control for your door and all that.